Traditionally, a PC case was designed with panels on all sides to prevent dust infiltration and regulate airflow. However, there has been a continuous increase in the variety of PC cases now available that eliminate the need for multiple panels. This has given rise to a new category called open-air PC cases. If you often engage in PC work or have a preference for visually exposed components, opting for one of these open-air PC cases would be ideal. It's hard to describe just how beautiful this case is. It's like having the supercar of cases. In our opinion, it is worth every penny. Innovative two-way open design with quick-release fasteners. The outer frame features a unique two-way open design. With its quick-release fasteners, D-Frame 2.0 allows for easier assembling and custom display platforms. Handcrafted metallic tubing structure. Expertly bent tubing is entirely crafted by human hands. Tungsten inert gas welding is used to reinforce stability, and unique electrode position, which creates an ultra-smooth finish. The motherboard mounting tray is sandblasted to achieve a refined metallic texture. Open frame structure improves heat dissipation and airflow is effectively channeled, ensuring excellent ventilated performance. The newest USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C is featured in D-Frame 2.0. Experience the rapid transfer speeds and the convenience of the reversible Type-C connector. Highly expandable for superb performance. Supports the latest high-end graphics cards, CPU heatsink, and E-ATX motherboards, 12 by 13 inches. Each D-Frame 2.0 includes a S3 1065 watts power supply, which is exclusively designed for D-Frame 2.0. Introducing the Vetroo K1 Pangolin Mid-Tower ATX PC gaming case, a unique and eye-catching case that stands out from the crowd. Inspired by the shape of the pangolin, this case offers a distinctive design that sets it apart. Not only does it look visually stunning, but it also ensures better airflow with strategically placed holes throughout the case. Featuring dual tempered glass side panels, this case allows you to showcase your internal components with clarity. The transparent panels are easy to install using screws, providing a sleek and seamless look. Equipped with a superior cooling system, the Vetroo K1 Pangolin can support up to 7 120mm fans and a maximum 360mm water cooler. This impressive cooling capacity ensures efficient airflow, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. Please note that fans are not included with the case. Inside the case, you'll find ample space to accommodate your components. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, allowing for versatile compatibility. Additionally, you can install 2 SSDs and 2 HDDs in the drive bays, providing ample storage options. The case also supports CPU coolers up to 170mm tall and GPUs up to 350mm long, ensuring compatibility with high-performance hardware. The multifunctional I/O panel on the front offers convenience and flexibility. It includes the power button, HD audio ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and a USB 3.0 port. This allows you to easily connect various mobile audio accessories and provides quick access to essential peripherals. With its unique pangolin-inspired design, dual tempered glass panels, superior cooling system, spacious interior, and versatile I/O panel, the Vetroo K1 Pangolin Mid-Tower ATX PC gaming case offers a fantastic choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build a standout system. If you're an experienced builder with a lot of ideas in mind for your next build, then you need an incredibly versatile case. A case that can go above and beyond in terms of looks and functionality. The Core P8 is 660mm high, 260mm wide, and 626mm deep. The case features not 1, but 3, 4mm thick tempered glass windows, providing a stunning view of all your hardware. But if you don't want all that tempered glass, then you don't have to have it. If you're more of an open frame chassis kind of person, the Core P8 has got you covered there too, as the front and top panels are removable. This means whatever style of build you're going for, the Core P8 can accommodate you. The case also supports both 120mm and 140mm fans in pretty much every mounting location. So no matter how many fans you want to run, this case has got your back. The Core P8 is very versatile and can support even the most ambitious of builds. You can run a CPU cooler with a max height of 180mm and up to an E-ATX motherboard. You can also run a graphics card up to 320mm without a reservoir and 280mm with one. Finally, your PSU, which is mounted vertically, can have a max length of up to 200mm. The vertical mount PSU bracket is also movable, so you can adjust it to suit your specific power supply. The Core P8 has been specifically designed with water cooling in mind, so of course, it supports all sorts of configurations. You can install up to a 480mm radiator on the front, up to a 360mm radiator along the top, or even up to a 240mm radiator on the bottom of the case. Additionally, the case has a pump mount that you can move around as you require. Finally, the case also can support a distro plate for those of you who want to take your custom water cooling setup to the next level. Once again, this case has an entirely dismantleable modular design with removable panels, brackets, and pre-designed mounting arrays. Even the base itself is removable, so there's no look that this case can't do for you. The Core P8 also has rotational PCIe slots, so you can display your graphics card either horizontally or vertically. The case also includes a riser cable. With all these awesome special features and space for hardware, you might worry that your storage will be left out, but never fear. The Core P8 can house up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs or 3 3.5-inch HDDs. These mounting spots can also be shifted around according to your needs. To help keep the dust and dirt away from your precious hardware, the case has 3 magnetic fan filters on the right top and bottom of the case. The front I/O ports come with 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports, as well as 1 USB Type-C port, all in an easy-to-access location. There are lots of good quality grommets and space for cable management out the back, also to ensure all those unsightly cables can be tucked away with ease. Finally, it wouldn't be a Core series case without the option to wall mount, and the Core P8 is no exception. The wall mount located at the rear of the case ensures that if you want to show off your gorgeous new case,